this video, I'll teach you how to add music into your iMovie project, and also I'll show you how to fade out that music. First of all, in order to get your music or song into your project, go to the audio menu. So here you will be able to choose from the iTunes or maybe from the sound effects from here, which is already inside of iMovie. I'll just choose one from here. After you choose your music, you will have to just drag and drop right below your video clips here in timeline. And now if you play, you will have some music. And I want to just get rid of the music which is in my original video clips. So I'll just go to this music icon and click this. So it will disable the music which is in my original video clips. And I'll have only the music that I brought in. Now you see that the music is longer than my video clip. So in order to make them equal, I'll just split the clip of the music and I'll click on the unnecessary part and delete it. Now at the end, I just want it to fade out. In order to do that, I will just hover my mouse here, right here, and you see that there is a fade audio out. I'll just click on it and drag to this side, to the left, to the place that you want to start fading out. Now when I play, it's going to fade out.